What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are still coming at you from the Bohol Islands in the Philippines, and we are on Panglao Island, and we're going to be doing some island hopping, checking out some beautiful beaches and checking out some amazing sea life. So let's go. It is currently about 6:30 a.m. and let me just tell you guys that this is a real early activity. So if you're choosing to do island hopping, just know that you'll be waking up early. Zay and I actually woke up at about 5 a.m. and we drove about 20 to 30 minutes from our hotel to the beach, and you can see there's a lot of people up and doing this activity, so it's super popular. You can see all of the boats lined up right there on the beach, and we're really excited to be doing this today. We're starting out today with a really awesome activity, which is gonna be dolphin watching.
We have made it to our second stop of the day. The first stop was the dolphin watching, and the second stop is called Virgin Island. It's a sandbar. We saw that there's food and drinks available for purchase, so we're gonna go buy some water because we didn't bring any on the boat and it's really hot out and we need to stay hydrated, so we're gonna go check that out right now. We did want to let you guys know that this sandbar is extra, that we had to pay 100 pesos each, and they charge the locals 30 pesos, so just be aware of that. This tour cost us 1,000 pesos each, and it includes dolphin watching, visiting the 2 different islands, as well as snorkeling, which we're going to be doing later, that I'm so excited for. And I just want to let you guys know that when we were walking along the beach, and that whole area is very touristy, they are giving a lot of different promotions, different people trying to get you to go on their boat, different tours, a bunch of different price ranges. The highest one we heard was 1,500, and we ended up finding a guy who charged 1,000. So be sure to haggle a little bit and ask a couple different people. Don't settle for the first price because you can get it for a really good deal.
When you stop at the sandbar, as you can tell, there are a bunch of vendors and they are all selling a variety of things. I see they have some coconuts, there's seafood, there's obviously going to be water and soft drinks and stuff like that. And someone also came up to me asking if we want to buy some jewelry, like a different type of thing. There's the guy right up there. And yeah, I mean, you can see the charcoal grills are going and everything like that. And we were just told that the reason we're making this stop first and it's so early because it is low tide right now, and later on in the day the tide will rise up, and yeah, it's not going to be possible to come here like this after that. Like we were mentioning, you can buy things on this sandbar right here, and I decided to get myself a beer. It is a little bit overpriced. It is 100 pesos for the beer, and Zay got herself a water, which is right here in my pocket, and that cost us 50 pesos. But it is a sandbar. I wanted to have a beer, and you know, it makes sense that it's a little more overpriced because they have to bring it out here every day, and we're cool with that. Also, something that we did not think about bringing is earplugs, because why would you think about that? This boat that we're on right here is so loud that we would actually recommend that if you're taking a tour like this, an island hopping tour, and you're going to be taking this style of a boat, bring some earplugs, because I think you guys will definitely thank us in the comments later. When we got here, we were pretty much the only boat that was here, and right now quite a few more boats pulled up, and you get about 40 minutes to relax and enjoy the sandbar, and we're really enjoying ourselves so far. In the morning when we first got on the boat and we did the dolphin watching, there was probably around 100 boats, if not more, with a lot of people. So this activity, like I was saying at the beginning, it is very popular, and so far it's worth it in our opinion.
You guys, I just saw a starfish in the water because it's so clear you can see everything that you're walking around, and look at how cool that is.
That is awesome.
Put it back gently.
Oh, that's awesome. And the waters are extremely clear, like we have been saying the whole time we've been in the Philippines. And honestly, I think at the end of our Philippines journey, we're gonna have to make a whole montage about how many times we said that the waters are clear, because it's already been too many. We've used the word beautiful and clear waters so many times, but that's basically how it is. It's amazing. Right now we are going to be getting back on the boat and heading to our next destination. We're not exactly sure where we're going, but we're going either to an island or snorkeling, and we'll find out together, I guess. So I'm going to get back on here and we'll head to our next destination.
We have docked at Balicasag Island. We are gonna do a small orientation, and then they're gonna give us kayaks to take out into the water where we're gonna do some snorkeling. We're so excited, let's go.
When you arrive on this island, you have the option to buy some food, you have the option to buy drinks, and there's also shops like this one right here when you can buy some water shoes right there, you can see, or maybe a pouch for your phone if you want to bring your phone with you if you're snorkeling and you don't want to get it wet. And even these nice water packs over here, which are really helpful to bring any other belongings such as your wallet and stuff like that. And like there's snacks, there's water, there's fruits, and yeah, quite a bit of stuff. It's a decent sized island. Another thing that I just saw is that you can rent a GoPro here. It is quite expensive, as you can tell right here. It is $1,500 with a memory card, and you can also get a housing, a battery, and a floater. But I mean, you're better off bringing your own if you can, and if you don't have one, I guess this is an option for you as well.
And just like that, we have started to walk towards the kayak with our guide so that we can go snorkeling. I just wanted to mention that we had to wait about 30 minutes to get our kayak and our guide because there's a ton of people here.
Yeah, it is Saturday, so that could be why, but it's very busy like we've been saying. But we're finally heading into water and we're super excited.
We are on the kayak with our guide. We're paddling out right now. He told us that we have an hour's worth of swimming, and we're gonna swim and go to 2 different sides to find some turtles and some interesting fish. We just made it back to shore, and that was so much fun. We 100% recommend it if you guys are interested in snorkeling and just being out here. It's beautiful. The only thing we would recommend is to have your own snorkel gear, because both of our masks didn't really fit that well, and water was going inside the mask the whole time, so every couple minutes you had to come up and like let the water out. But other than that, it was so much fun.
As you guys were able to see by the B-roll, we actually got to see a turtle this time around. 2 turtles actually. We didn't really ever see a turtle while we're snorkeling before. We tried to see one in the Maldives, but we did not get to see them. And here we got to see 2, and they were incredible. I actually got pretty close to one. I could almost touch it, and it was just beautiful seeing them. We actually asked our guide Reggie whether it's this busy all the time or if it's just the weekends, and he said that it's mostly like the weekends, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and during the weekdays it's not as busy. So if you happen to be here during the weekday, maybe consider doing that instead of coming on the weekend. It might be a little bit more relaxed, there might not be as many people, you might not be waiting as long. So just a suggestion for you guys. And just like that, our island hopping adventure is coming to an end. We are heading back to the boat, and then we are gonna head back to the main island that we came from. And we're gonna show you guys the beach over there as well. So make sure you stick around for that because it is pretty cool. There's a lot of really nice bars and the beach itself is really nice. We have made it back on the island. As you can tell, there's our boat to the left right there, and you can see the beautiful palm trees. And I'm gonna turn around right now and we're gonna take a little walk down the beach and show you guys all of the restaurants and just how beautiful this beach is.
When you're walking, oh my god. That's so funny, I was just saying that.
We have been in the Philippines for about 2 weeks now, and we have not really checked out any beaches. We just like, this is our first time actually on a beach where we're actually gonna enjoy it and sit, but better late than never. You know, Philippines is known for its beautiful beaches and beautiful waters, so it's about time that we're doing this. But before, we did a whole bunch of other activities, and if you guys have not checked out our vlogs previously, make sure you guys check those out because we did a lot of fun activities.
The beach that we are currently walking on is called Alona Beach, and we are on Panglao Island. If you guys come to Bohol, you're most likely staying in Tagbilaran or on this beach or near this beach on Panglao Island. This place is really touristy. You can tell by all the souvenir shops with the tie-dye t-shirts, people trying to sell you tours. It is a really fun vibe around here. There's a ton of really nice bars and restaurants to check out while you are here.
We actually came down to this beach a couple of nights ago, and it's really nice here at the nighttime as well. It fills up, there's tons of people. There's actually fire shows that we were able to see, but unfortunately we were not vlogging, so we can't show you guys that. But if you're here, definitely consider coming down at night. There's live entertainment, there's a lot of singers, and they're really good actually. And like I said, with the fire shows and everything, it's just a fun vibe down here.
We're starving after burning all that energy snorkeling, so we came to this restaurant. It's called Alona Vida Beach Resort, and this is actually where we came the other night during the nighttime where they had the live singers, and the guys were amazing. So we decided to come back here because we had a good time in the first place. We just placed our food order and we will show you guys that in a second. We just finished having our meals. I got chicken and vegetables on a sizzling plate, and boy was it sizzling. It was so delicious. Attila got a pizza and he said it was amazing as well. We got a bruschetta to start, a few drinks, and our total came to 1,200 pesos, which is a pretty good deal to us being in a touristy area. But that's it for today's video, you guys. If you had a favorite part, please leave a comment down below, like the video, and subscribe. We will see you in the next one.